and Alexa coming from Belgrade. Their film was already screened at many other places. They are out of competition. However, it's such an exciting film that they deserve their spot to be talked about. So let's start. The film is Yuge Goes to America, and it's a road movie, dramatic, exciting, emotional, also funny at the same time. It's a film that takes us to interesting places, and we meet very interesting people on this road trip. So I don't know who of you started with this idea, because it's very difficult actually when two heads are directing a film. Somebody has to be the first one.
Yeah, so thank you for coming and for letting us be the first here, even though we were supposed to be the last. Actually, it was quite easy for Alex and me, because both of us are not dominantly directors. I mean, I'm not. He was a director of a short movie before. I come from a writing field for theater novels and screenplays, and he is the director of photography. So it was easy for us because we don't collide. We just, kind of add to each other. What do we don't know from each other fields, from visual from me, or from word-wise from my perspective. And we actually met 2 months before the road. Charana Vučnić, the producer, she kind of thought that we were a great match, not just because of height difference, but because of our kind of characters even, and what we do in our artistic fields. And we really didn't have that kind of authorship problem. Not during the shooting of the movie. He was behind the camera, I was in front. I trusted him completely, he trusted me, and during editing we both, with Kristina Todorović, set the whole 2 years of editing. Like, we were always one organism there. It's not like 1 month is Alexa, 1 month is me. It's always together bringing decisions, which maybe is why it's slower, but I don't know, I like when 2 people or 3 or a group does something.
Yeah, amazing film. I mean, it's a really exciting film. Alexa, maybe it's good that you just tell us in a nutshell what is the film about, and what is the essence of the film. There are some people who didn't see the film, but still they're interested to listen to your story.
I would say that it teaches us that a travel is sometimes not about getting as fast as you can from point A to point B, but also to enjoy the process. And Yuge gave us something that no other means of transportation would give us. It gave us a lot of breakdowns. Those breakdowns,
You mean the car breakdown?
The car breakdown. Yeah. I mean,
we were different. We didn't need a Yuge.
But we were actually, following up pretty well. I mean, as Phil said, like, we met 2 months before the trip, and we met guys who were from New York, traveling with us also. I mean, when we came to New York, and it was a lot of new relationships in that matter, and but we made it, and yes, those breakdowns that you have, which slowed the trip, actually gave us time to develop those friendships and to meet the people along the road, and really to enjoy the travel itself.
And is Yuge really known car still in America? I mean, do people remember when Yuge came to America? And I mean, I know it's very attractive line from your film. Yuge is the worst ever car that was imported in the United States. But I mean, truly, how much you kind of fixed this type of scenario, or how truly people would know what is Yuge?